Guys, you won't believe this. I'm about to show you how to start your own insane hoodie and t-shirt business using DTF transfers. It's crazy easy. First things first, we got to get our supplies. I'm talking the most cost-effective DTF transfers, blank hoodies, t-shirts, and a heat press that won't destroy your wallet. Trust me, I've done all the research and I'm going to share all the juicy details with you. Now, let's talk about setting up your workspace. You don't need some fancy schmancy studio or anything wild. Just find a clean, well-lit area where you can spread out and get to work. Make sure you've got good ventilation and enough space to move around. Safety first, am I right? Once you've got your setup ready, it's time to make some absolute magic happen with those DTF transfers. You're going to be blown away by how simple this is. Okay, here's where it gets really, really exciting. You've got your products ready, but you're probably thinking, how am I going to sell these without any followers? Well, I've got some absolutely insane strategies for you that'll make your head spin. We're talking pop-up shops, local events, and good old-fashioned word-of-mouth marketing. And don't forget about your friends and family. They can be your first customers and biggest supporters. Trust me, once people see the quality of your stuff, they'll be lining up to buy from you like it's Black Friday. You're going to be swimming in orders before you know it.